What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. It's your boy Jabril, and today we're keeping it simple. We're gonna do bang bang shrimp pasta. I know. So before we get too far ahead, if you guys are new, make sure you hit that sub and notification button for me. Share this with your friends and family. Enjoy. So we bringing out the protein pasta dishes today. So I got some thin spaghetti. I got my water going, and then so for this, I have some green onion that we're gonna garnish this with, and then I got my bowl for my sauce, and then I got my shrimp. Now I have a lot of shrimp here. I will put the recipe below for like the generic recipe. I'm just making a lot of shrimp so that I have some leftovers to kind of eat throughout the week. Here is about 2 pounds of shrimp. That's a lot of shrimp, but that's a couple meals right there. So, there's that. But I will put the full recipe for this in the description below for you guys. And so we're gonna start on our sauce. Because the shrimp, it won't take long. Like, I'll probably finish the pasta first and then do the shrimp. Because the shrimp only take like 5 minutes. So we're gonna set this guy off to the side. Fairly simple. We're gonna do olive oil mayo, some sriracha, rice wine vinegar, a little bit of lime juice, some black pepper, do a little bit of honey, and then some gochujang sauce. But that's that, and then for the shrimp, we're gonna just season it with a little bit of black pepper and some fresh garlic as well. For this, I need at least a 1/4 cup of olive oil mayo, okay? Then 2 teaspoons of honey, a teaspoon of lemon juice, a tablespoon of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sriracha, a teaspoon of gochujang paste sauce. I'm gonna do about a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And if you need to add more mayo to kind of ease up on the spice, feel free. I would say add up to about a 1/2 cup. You just want enough here to coat your shrimp. That is perfect. So we're gonna set this guy off to the side, and then our water is boiling, so we're gonna add our pasta. All right, so I have here my shrimp. Turn on medium. Add about a tablespoon of avocado oil. Okay, I got my pan hot, and I got a pound of shrimp here. I'm gonna add that in there. And this is just peeled and deveined shrimp. Okay, then we're gonna season this with some salt and a little bit of black pepper, and then about a tablespoon of garlic. Like I said, the shrimp only takes about 5-6 minutes. You don't want it, you can see how it's kind of translucent a little bit, like you can see through it. You want it to be pink all the way through. Smells really good. I'm gonna turn my heat up just a little bit because I want this to kind of cook fast. Because our pasta is almost done. But I don't want the garlic to burn. Okay, and while that's going, I'm gonna go ahead and chop up some green onion to garnish this with. All right, pasta's done. See, the nice thing is once this recipe gets going, it gets going. And you gotta stay on top of it or else it will yell at you. All right, our shrimp is done. Cut the heat off of that. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna dump it into our sauce and go ahead and mix it. Bring you a little closer, but here you go. Okay, I like to go ahead and do my portion. Now I'm doing about 8 ounces, and then I'm gonna dump some of this sauce on top. Give that a good mix. It smells really good, I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of excited about this. Okay, let's dish her up. All right, so I have here my pasta. I'm gonna go ahead, throw my shrimp on top. Okay, and then we're gonna garnish this with a little bit of sesame seeds and then some of our green onion. And there is your bang bang shrimp pasta. Let's try this out. All right, so here we have our shrimp pasta. Some noodles and a piece of shrimp. Cheers. Oh, that's so good. Not gonna lie. But it's very spicy. It's definitely got some heat to it. And there is a little bit of sweetness from the honey. And that green onion adds a nice crunch too. But the shrimp is cooked perfectly. It's simple. You taste the nice, fresh shrimp. And then you just taste the flavorful sauce. And that's kind of what you want. You want the sauce to be the star of the show. You definitely taste heat first and then sweetness from the honey. But I really like this. And honestly, it kind of makes it kind of addictive that way. Because you're like, oh, this is really spicy. And then you get a little bit of relief from the sweet honey. And you're like, oh, that's not so bad. And then you're an idiot and you keep eating more. Well, guys, there you have it. Bang Bang Shrimp Pasta. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And again, if you guys are new, make sure you hit that sub button for me. Throw a comment down below. Share this with your friends and family. And as always, peace out. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.